Hi, I'm Christian with Affordable Comfort. I'm one of their electricians. Today we're installing this 14 kilowatt generator for this customer. So this generator is suitable for 100 amp service. There is a number of different service sizes from 100 amp to 200 amp, and they make generators for all of them. One benefit with this generator is if you travel, it's a peace of mind. If the power goes out, the generator will automatically come on, so you won't have to worry about your pipes freezing, your sump pump not working, and it kind of, looks after itself with very little maintenance. If you're thinking about a standby generator, this is one that we install quite a bit and would highly recommend. Hey, go generator! Shoveled quite a bit of snow here and had to unbury the transformer over there for hydro to do the disconnect.